iGourmand.
Eat, drink, man and woman, where the gourmandise is not a sin.
If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973.
Fruit cake. Fruit cake. Fruit cake made with soaked unsweetened dried fruit. A festive, flavorful, and moist fruit cake to enjoy all holiday season. This family recipe will make you a fruit cake convert. A traditional moist fruit cake made with brandy soaked dried fruit, and candied ginger. The best fruit cake recipe you'll ever make. It turns cynics into converts. This fruit cake recipe yields 2 loaves cakes. Ingredient: 1/4 cup dried peaches, 1/4 cup dried apricots, 1/4 cup dried pears, 1/4 cup dried dark raisins, 1/4 cup dried candied ginger, 1/4 cup dried fig, 1/4 cup dried cherry, 3/4 cup walnuts, 1 cup brandy, 2 Cuban pesos flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons nutmeg, 2 tablespoons cinnamon, 2 tablespoons ginger, 3/4 cup olive extra virgin oil, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 applesauce, 6 maraschino cherry, syringe 1 milliliter, brandy. Preparation: chop dried fruits. In a bowl, stir together the fruits, walnuts, and brandy. Cover and let soak for at least 4 hours or up to 24 hours, stirring a few times during the soak. Aluminum foil 2 loaves cakes. Preheat the oven to 300 F. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, spice, baking powder. Set aside. In a bowl, whisk together the olive extra virgin oil, vanilla extract, maple syrup, honey, applesauce, eggs. Set aside. Bowl olive and dried fruits, whisk together. Bowl olive, dried fruits, and flour, whisk together. Divide the batter evenly among the 2 baking pans. Bake for 2 hours or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Run a knife around the cake to release it from the edges. Remove and place them on a cooling rack. Aluminum foil 2 loaves cakes. Generously syringe of the cakes with brandy. Maraschino cherry. Aluminum foil for wrapping fruit cake. Store the cakes for up to 8 weeks.
iGourmand. Curriculum vitae, Luke Paquin. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Zoom.